Hello and welcome back. My name's Ian, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Right, in this video I am going to be forge welding a three-piece what do you call it, layered sort of steel. What I've got here is a piece of spring steel. This is an old leaf spring from a truck or something, or part of a leaf spring. And I've got this mild steel here, another piece of scrap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece off here about the same width, and then I'm going to cut two of these the same length as that. There we go. Through the magic of video editing, I've made up these. I've cut up these small pieces here. This middle one, this is the leaf spring. It's cleaned on both sides, as you can see, and this is the mild steel. It's only cleaned on the one side. And what's going to happen is the leaf spring is going to get sandwiched in between the two pieces of mild steel, and then what I'll do, I'll tack weld it on both ends and attach a small handle, a little stub of handle, and then yeah, then we can get onto forge welding. Okay, so right here you can see we've got our little stack all welded together. What I did, I've got an old bolt, an old manky bolt I found laying around, and just welded it on as a handle. And yeah, you can see these two are the mild steel pieces, and that's the high carbon steel piece in the middle. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, in the forge, I'm going to weld these together, forge weld these together, and then once I'm happy with the weld, then I'm going to draw it out into something. I'll see what we got anyway before we continue. I'll take it in steps because I'm not sure, you know, how this is going to move around. Yeah, this is the first time for me, so yeah. it's hot. Burnt my thumb. I think fucking fire's out of control. Right, so I figured out why this is overheating so quick, this forge. The damn pipe was blocked, wasn't it? Ash dump pipe. Let's give it a couple more welds. Let's clean all this mess off. Perfect. Sorry guys, you can't see what I'm doing. How inconsiderate of me. If anyone out there wants to donate any welding, a welding shirt to me, that'll be amazing. But I think that is done. Right, so there we have it. I think we got it forge welded. Had a few troubles with the forge, as you saw. Actually, no, I don't know. I might not add it in. But either way, what happened was the ash dump pipe got blocked, and the forge was burning too hot. And before I realised what was going on, I sort of almost gave up. So then I quickly went in for another couple of welds. So hopefully I got it. If not, you know, not. And also I was having trouble with my hammer. The hammer that I have, the biggest sort of handheld single hand hammer that I've got, wasn't quite cutting it. So what I'm going to do is, let's zoom out a little bit. What I'm going to call this video done now. And my next video will be sorting out this handle. Before I can continue doing more forge welding to this, sorry, not forge welding. Before I can continue forging this out, I'm going to turn this mini sledgehammer into a rounding hammer, and that should it might lose a little bit of weight as well, so it might be a little bit more easier to handle. But I don't know. I suppose the weight ain't too bad, but yeah, I mean, what is this? £4. It's a £4 hammer. It's not that heavy. I mean, I think it's just the right amount of weight to try and move that sort of material, but the geometry of it is all wrong. You know, I don't like it. This is too narrow. The diameter here is too small. I want to try and I'm gonna forge round here and then try and sort of mushroom it out so it's a bigger sort of surface area. Same on this side, with maybe a sort of more of a ball peen shape to it, more of a rounded shape to this one. This one will be a bit more flatter, this one will be more rounded. So yeah, that'll be the next video. So, well, thank you for watching. If you liked this very short video, if you liked it, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And yeah, if you really like it, please share it with others. Thank you.